Greetings, people of the interwebs. It is part 3 of the refurbing Henriettas steering wheel day, which means it's also very cold outside, and obviously I need to wear my hub nut hat. Hat because it's cold outside, and also I fancied doing a gnome impression. What do gnomes carry? Right. The spade. Here we go. I'm a gnome. There you go. That's enough gnoming. Yes, so part 3, which is top coat. So I need to get the bits together. So I need to get the extension do brake, the hairdryer of infinite blowiness, tripodius, and yeah, I need to warm up a bit and then go and open Henny up, and yeah, let's have a start on there. So yeah, let's hope it's not rubbish and it turns out alright. Yeah, see you in a bit. So here we are. So going back to the instructions, let's see what it says. So it'll be the leather finish part of it. Similarly with the prep, finish is very important to prevent the colour lifting, rubbing off with wear. Shake the bottle and apply well. Shake the bottle well and apply 2 coats. This too must be dried using a hairdryer. If heat is not applied, the finish will be less hard and durable. The leather will be usable after 24 hours, but will continue to harden and strengthen over 7 days. The satin finish will slightly shine with use. Okay, so basically it's the same as before. We're putting a couple of coats on it, but we're baking it with a hairdryer in between. So let's crack on with that bit, shall we? I'm going to start with the back of it as less visible part. I'm going to try and use this paintbrush. I'm not sure it's going to fit in the thing. I need to shake this well. This is me shaking this bottle. It's not gonna fit in there, is it, Simon? Back to the drawing board. Or maybe I've got a pot I can put this in. Yeah, I'll go and see if I've got a pot. I have not a pot, but a jam jar lid. I've just realised I've left the stuff in the garage. Jam jar lid. And I'm going to put some of that in there like that and then paint it. It smells like Games Workshop stuff. It's like an acrylic thing. And then yeah, I'll start from this side. more liquid in the colouring bit. Exciting sequel to watching paint dry. Right, let's bake it. Seems dry, let's go and put another coat on. It's hard to see where you painted with this because it's like very, like just a bit milky and then it dries really fast. Baking time. I thought I'd bring you in for a bit of a closer look now, so it's hard. We've done the cleaning the wheel down at the first stage, and then we did the painting in the second stage with the pigment on there, and then this is after 2 coats of top and we've dried them off with a hairdryer both times. So I'm gonna do some more top coats on there, but I thought I'd just film a bit of what it looks like now, and then we can see what difference it makes going forward on there. Crikey, I look tired today. Bloody hell. That's what happens when we have live streams at night, and yeah. Anyway, stop talking crap now. I'll show you what it looks like. So here it is at the moment. Let me try and lock exposure so it stops faffing about. There we go. So I'll put some before and after bits on there, but on camera it looks really good. It don't look as good as that in real life, because you can still see some brush marks on it, but it's a vast improvement to what it were before, right? It's not just me that sees that, is it? It's not like a perfectly uniform finish, but I'm quite happy with that. For the cost, it's for the cost, just for the cost time, not for the cost it's just the cost. For the cost, I think that's been quite a good improvement. And then it just tied its inside up a bit. I think I'm impressed with that. And the other things to start doing are like the door cards are a bit baggy, and there's a bit dropping down on headliner right at back there, but they can wait. But overall, yeah, from other side, it's not perfect on there, but you're never going to really see that side. Well, I'm not anyway. It just looks better than it did before. So I think up tonight it's been worthwhile, but I'm gonna crack on and do another couple of coats of that top finisher on there, just to try and give it its best chance of not rubbing off when we're using it. So yeah, that should be it. And then hopefully at some point I want to go around and give it the proper detail inside. You see there's like muck around here, and everything's a bit grimy, so I'm gonna get a proper clean over at some point as well. Yeah, and then there's like the other million, thousand, trillion things that I need to do as well at the moment. So and I need to try and sort Margaret's breakout today as well. So probably another couple of cuts on there. I'll not film them because it's exactly the same. And then yeah, should be done. I don't know whether I'll do the video now or wait for a week for it to harden. I might just shoot an extra bit in at a later date, or tomorrow or something like that. Anyway, you don't need to know that. That's my business, not your business. So yeah, another couple of coats and I'll see where we go from there. So I put another coat on, dried that off, and I thought I'd share this special moment with you, because this is the good stuff. This is the money shot. This is the shot that if you were making an 80s biker gang fighting another biker gang movie, this would be the shot of the sexy blonde wavy haired biker chick wearing a leather waistcoat and hot pants, throwing a leg over a Harley Davidson shot in like a low sun setting, possibly in the rain as well, something like that. Anyway, stop talking bollocks. I'm just going to take masking tape. Ooh, look at that. Ooh, that's some good action there, isn't it? Oh, that's one piece on. One piece. And then let's go for this bit. You ready? Some round the back action there. Oh, look at that. Oh god, look at that. Sexy, isn't it? Oh, sexy. And then this final bit, oh my god, I'm a contortionist. Let's tease this bit off a bit. Tease it off. Oh, look at that. It's left another bit on there. Oh, it's like the anticipation. Ready? Oh, just think I need a second to calm down a bit. Right. There it goes. There we are. Looks alright, doesn't it? Not too bad. It's like the instruction booklet thingy said, that the colour match, because it's leather and plastic, it might be a little bit lighter on the bit that you've just done, because obviously plastic picks up muck and stuff. So there is a bit of a difference between the two that you can see, but in real life it's not shocking. It's just like you'd expect between plastic and leather, to be honest. So yeah, I'm quite impressed with that. It's definitely made an improvement on there. So yeah, let's leave that to dry for 7 days then, and yeah, hopefully I've got some new tyres lined up for Henny as well. So hopefully Kevin don't want to fit them on this coming week, and it'll come wait till following week when everything should be dried off alright. But yeah, I'm quite happy with that. Yeah, very good. I hope it's been useful seeing me piss about do this, and encourages some of you to do it on your own if you need to. Take results are quite good. I'm quite impressed. I must have said that about 5,000 times now, but it's definitely worth it. So there we go. Hope to catch you in another video, and peace out, man. And peas out. If you want to get your peas out, feel free to get your peas out, and your piece, but not your pieces. Don't get your pieces out, it's cold. Freeze them right off.